So we are starting off on freshly washed hair. I washed it in these two sections, half and half, because that's how I'm gonna do the ponytail. If y'all have 4C hair, you already know, do sections. Because I'm telling you right now, I keep trying to avoid sections and I keep getting myself played. Like, it's just not working out, so I have to really hang it up. Let's go through products. So I'm gonna just use this Auntie Jackie's Curls and Coils Coconut Cream Intensive Moisture Sealant. I'm also going to oil my scalp with the Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. For gel, I'm using the Gummy Professionals Hair Gel Maximum Hold. And then I also have the Edge Control, so I use both of those. Of course, you're gonna need a brush. I have this double-sided one. It works great. I did most of the detangling in the shower with a lot of conditioner. So I'm trying to figure out, I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that I don't have to do too much, but we're gonna see. The good thing about 4C hair is it dries really easily. So, but I do want to keep some moisture in it, because when I tell you I took that ponytail down and my scalp was dry, and that's because I didn't do the sections. So we're starting off with clean, fresh hair. We're gonna go in with the Auntie Jackie's and just moisturize. And I'm probably gonna actually start using the gel and Auntie Jackie's. Once I get the Auntie Jackie's and the oil in here, then I'm gonna go ahead and start smoothing the gel. So I want it to be smooth all over, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put my music on so I don't get distracted. Let's go. Putting this scrunchie on super tight because I'm about to put it all together in another one. So don't put this one too tight, but put it enough, you know? So like I could still stretch this. Protect your scalp, ladies. Remember, this is a protective style. We want it to be snatched, but in a healthy way. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not really worried about the hair being super slick, only because the ponytail is, sorry, let me put this up because this looks crazy. Yeah, so I'm not really necessarily worried about it being like super snatched, only because the ponytail is so thick anyways, like you're really not gonna see all of that. Now what I am gonna make sure I do this time is add as a bit more edge control, because when I did this the last time, I did basically this top knot bun, and that's what I was wearing because I didn't have the ponytail yet. But it took like days for my hair to actually like be slick, and I think it's because I didn't put enough of the edge control. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of that so that I won't have to take this down. Since I did so many scrunchies, you know, it's like, girl, but this looks good because I don't even have to put bobby pins in the back. The back is really laid. The front is not as laid, and that's okay. I'm gonna just put a bobby pin right at the front. But again, if I was wearing it out, honestly, it still looks pretty good. But if I was wearing it out without the ponytail, I would basically probably just put this bobby pin and let it lay. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm going to go to sleep because I just got off work and I'm tired. So I'll see you guys for the second half. Oh, let me discuss the ponytail really quick because I washed it too. Another secret, y'all, and I'm gonna do it at the end, but putting a wig cap over your hair, your cornrows, your braids, anything like that, when I tell you, be laying the mess out of my hair. So since I don't have the ponytail on yet and I'm gonna go to sleep, I'm gonna put this on. It also helps to grip my scarf. My scarf is like a silky one, which is great, but I sleep like a wild banshee and it's gonna fall off. So I need like extra protection. But let's get into the ponytail. So when it comes to the ponytail, I just saturated it in water. I made sure to really saturate it. I deep conditioned it because I didn't put any product in it except for like that small dime size amount of that curl product. But I want that product to kind of stay in here because I don't even have enough to be going around town on the ponytail every week. Like, it's not gonna happen. So I put some conditioner and I made sure to paddle brush it. You gotta have a paddle brush to define your curls, y'all. It's really life-changing because the curls without the paddle brush low-key gives braiding hair from the beauty supply store. And I said, wait a minute, why is it like that? And the curls, because the curls weren't loosened up, and so the curls really will tighten up if you don't paddle brush through them. So paddle brushing through it spreads out the curls but also clusters the ends, and then I'm gonna finger coil it when it's on my head. So I'm gonna just let this air dry too. But please, y'all, just get you a paddle brush. I use it for my natural hair, so that's what I use to detangle in the shower. Because I'm a lazy natural, and that's how my hair grew, because I don't play in my scalp. I do stuff like this and I put it away until silk press season comes. And I've never been a silk press babe, but it's starting to be that time because my hair, obviously y'all see how long she's gotten. So it's time. But yeah, so this is the ponytail. This is the 18-inch again of the hergivenhair in the 3C to 4A coily texture. Really like it. It mimics half of my curl pattern. But for the most part, I think I have like 4B through 4C hair. So kind of mix it. Close enough. Because I can't be trusted. Again, I sleep like a wild banshee. I'm gonna put this on over. I hate scarves over my ears. It really upsets me because it hurts. Like, it's always hurt. Even before I got piercings, like as a kid, that's why my hair was always a mess, because I barely put my scarf on. And c'est bonnet. All right, y'all, good night. I'm going to sleep. I'll see y'all in a few hours, okay? Because I'm putting that ponytail on. I can't live without it. I love her to death. Okay, got a blast. OMG, guys, so here I am finally editing this footage, and I didn't realize that when I woke up from my post-work nap, I ended up getting on FaceTime with my best friend to vent about work. And so that's literally what you see me doing here. But luckily for me, I had already did a TikTok about this as well, so I'm gonna just pop that in and you guys can enjoy it. Love you, bye. Hey guys, today I want to show you how I got this high puff using a drawstring ponytail. I was inspired by my summer look and I'm continuing it in the fall. So I'm just working over my top knot that I've been wearing for the past couple of days. My hair was already slicked up, so I was really excited about that. I just wanted to further make my little bun smaller, so that's what I did. And here I am throwing on the ponytail. I was a little overwhelmed in the beginning because I got the 18-inch and I was like, oh my God, should I have gotten the 16? Help! But you know what? You have to take your time with these things. And here I am just wrapping around a piece just to make sure that I'm hiding the actual drawstring. I'm using this little curly hair product. I know it was kind of fast, but I wanted to saturate the ponytail, and I later had to get up and like actually go saturate the ponytail because I wanted to paddle brush through it. As you can see, the curls look a little better because I was able to soak it and then paddle brush through it with the product in it. Now I'm just finger coiling all of the pieces. This is really what inspired me. If you saw my curly wig that I've been wearing over the summer, I literally would pineapple it, and I was like, oh my God, I want to be able to wear my wig like this. So I ended up finding a ponytail that was really close to that texture and to mine, and it's so helpful because now I can like do my puffs in peace and still have my top knot underneath. So yeah, I'm just finger coiling away. There's really no limit to this. I just did it until I thought it looked good. Now I'm adding a scrunchie to make the puff a little higher. I didn't tighten it or anything, just placed it there. And from here, you can like stretch it out, make it taller, kind of just do whatever you want with the ponytail to make the puff look how you want it to. And I'm just adding more coils now that it's actually sitting where I want it to. And I'm just playing around with the ponytail to see where it's going to end up. So now I'm just doing my edges really quick. Nothing special here. I just kind of twirled them around. That's like my favorite way to do my baby hairs because when I tie them down, they stay that way and they look so cute. So yeah, I'm just doing my baby hairs. And that is the finished look, guys. I'm not going to be putting this down, and I can't wait to figure out more styles to do with this ponytail.